stage. Now, what we see in front of us here are two pictures taken less than 10 years apart. And they are two pictures capturing the same event. It was the inauguration of the Pope. And as we can see, the behavior of people was very different between these two pictures, especially when it comes to the use of technology. We can see at the bottom how personal mobile phones and capturing cameras and videos really shifted everything in terms of how we live our day-to-day life. And it's the same across many sectors. However, when we look at education as a sector, we see that it operates a bit differently than other sectors. And it's a bit slower to adopt change and slower to shift. So a question worth asking ourselves is, what does change or innovation look like in the field of education? Education as a sector currently faces a lot of challenges, including a model that was designed as a very structured model. So it assumes that one size fits all, or one format of education can be suitable for a multiple variety of learners. Other issues that education systems struggle with is a separation between what happens in the classroom or within the educational system and what is happening in real life. Because if the objective of education is to prepare us for the real world, then it means these two systems should be quite connected, which they aren't always. Limited access to resources, a curriculum that doesn't evolve quickly enough, and other practices of teaching and learning that focus more on the delivery of information from the teacher to the student, with a focus on learning by heart or rote memorization. All of these are characteristics or qualities of traditional systems that are part of the challenges that we face with education today. Now, in addition to all of these problems or challenges that exist in systems, in the region, we have additional challenges. So I'm assuming that all 32 people on our call today can read this simple sentence that's on the screen. I think somebody might be unmuted بالغلط. However, for almost 60% of children in the region, they are not as lucky, because when it comes to Arabic, which is their mother tongue, 59% cannot read and understand a simple age-appropriate sentence. And that is a very big and urgent problem that should be tackled. And in our opinion, it's not just a problem of the education system. It's actually much bigger, because if we can't read and if we can't understand, it limits our ability to learn and acquire a lot of things that go far beyond school. So this